Survival Kit Ideas in 2023. In an ever-changing world, the unexpected lurks around every corner. Natural disasters, unforeseen accidents, or even sudden societal disruptions can catch anyone off guard. And it happens so frequently, that the main question you should be asking yourself is, when will I face the next event, and will I be ready for it? The key general principles for choosing survival kit items are versatility, reliability, simplicity, portability, and knowledge. Choose versatile and reliable items that are easy to carry, can serve multiple purposes, and are straightforward for you to use even in moments of great stress. Water is critical for survival, so make sure you have some bottled water and purification tools. Pack your own food in your survival kit, ensuring you have a reliable source of nutrition. Energy bars, freeze-dried meals, and MREs are the most classic choices. Develop your own first aid kit to include at least bandages and gauze, antiseptics, gloves, tweezers, scissors, adhesive tape, pain relievers, and antibiotic ointment. Additionally, you might also consider adding a thermal blanket, allergy pills, burn cream, and a first aid manual. Among survival tools, the multi-tool knife and the fixed-blade knife stand out as the best bet, offering a blend of versatility and reliability that few other tools can match. The multi-tool knife should include a blade, screwdriver, scissors, tweezers, can opener, file, and even a saw. In survival situations, the importance of reliable lighting cannot be overstated. Among the myriad of lighting options, LED flashlights and glow sticks stand out as great solutions. Shelter and warmth are not just about comfort, they can mean the difference between life and death. Consider items like sleeping bags, emergency blankets, tarps, duct tape, hand warmers, weather-appropriate clothing, toilet paper, and perhaps a compact tent. Carrying personal hygiene items might not seem like a top priority in a survival situation, but it plays an important role in ensuring your overall well-being and health. Essential personal hygiene items include moist towelettes, hand sanitizers, compact toothbrushes and toothpaste, and feminine hygiene products. Creating a survival kit is a commendable step toward preparedness, but it's not without its potential pitfalls. Overpacking, neglecting the kit, relying on generic kits, underestimating water and food needs, and forgetting about personal documents are some of the most common problems. By equipping yourself with a comprehensive kit, you're not just preparing for potential dangers, you're actively taking control of unpredictable situations. A well-thought-out survival kit provides a sense of security and confidence, allowing you to think clearly, make informed decisions, and increase your chances of survival. At its core, survival is about the human spirit's resilience, adaptability, and indomitable will to overcome. With the right survival kit, you're not merely reacting to adversities, you're anticipating them, strategizing, and taking control.